Good morning everybody, and I'm excited to discuss the official reveal of Jedi Bob Starfighter, the final set in the LEGO Star Wars Summer 2024 lineup. Jedi Bob Starfighter is the smallest of the three non-canon sets from the miniseries Rebuild the Galaxy, offering a blend of nostalgia and modern design. The set brings back Jedi Bob, who first appeared in the 2002 Republic Gunship. The set includes 3 minifigures. We have Jedi Bob, who's been updated with a modern design elements including yellow skin, a hood, a cape, and a green lightsaber. Admiral Ackbar Clone Trooper, a unique and interesting addition blending 2 iconic Star Wars elements together as one, and a fan favourite, the Gonk Droid Servo, or SRVO, to complete the lineup. The vessel is essentially a hybrid of 2 previous Jedi Starfighters. You have set 75333 and the custom Jedi Starfighter from set 75087. Jedi Bob Starfighter resembles Anakin's in design, but is considerably broader and longer, and features the red and white colour scheme of Obi-Wan Kenobi. Starfighter's front has 2 hyperdrive thrusters and a cockpit large enough to fit a single minifigure. The return of Jedi Bob has been met with enthusiasm, especially among longtime fans who remember his original appearance, and the inclusion of an Admiral Ackbar Clone Trooper Gonk Droid adds significant value to this set. I certainly appreciate the blend design elements from the 2 iconic Starfighters, making it a must-have for myself and for collectors alike. The set is part of LEGO Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy miniseries that is making its debut on Disney Plus in September. The series is generating a lot of buzz, and the release of Jedi Bob Starfighter is perfectly timed to build up anticipation. Will you be picking it up? Are you excited about the return of Jedi Bob and the unique minifigures included? And will you be tuning in to watch LEGO Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy on Disney Plus? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye!